Missive brevis is Latin for short mass. The term usually refers to a mass composition that is short because part of the text of the mass ordinary that is usually set to music in a full mass is left out, or because its execution time is relatively short. Full Mass with a relatively short execution time. The concise approach is found in the mostly syllabic settings of the 16th century, and in the custom of telescoping in 18th century masses. After the period when all church music was performed a cappella, a short execution time usually also implied modest forces for performance, that is, apart from masses in the brevis et solemnis genre. Polyphony Orlando Lassus, Missa Venatorum. Giovanni Pierluigi da Palestrina, Missive brevis. Andrea Gabrieli, Missive brevis qua ou or vocum. Gaspar van Weerbeeke, Missive brevis. 18th century. For composers of the classical period such as Mozart, missive brevis meant short in duration, as opposed to missa longa, a term that Leopold Mozart used for his son's K262 rendering the complete words of the liturgy. As the words were well known, some composers had different voice parts recite simultaneously different sections of long texts. This is especially characteristic of Austrian masses in the Gloria and the Credo. Johann Georg Albrechtsberger, Mass in D major, Missa Sancti Augustini. Karl Heinrich Biber, Missive brevis Sanctorum Septem Delorum B. V. M. Joseph Haydn, Missive brevis in F. Missive brevis Sancti Joannes de Dio, among others. Michael Haydn provided alternative brevis settings for the Gloria and the Credo in his Missa Sancti Gabrielis. Leopold Mozart, including some missi breves formerly attributed to his son Wolfgang Amadeus. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, brevis K49, K65, K140, K192, K194, K275, brevis a solemnis, K220, K257, K258, K259, alternatively indicated as brevis o longa, K. 317. 19th century Alexandra Gilmont Massive Breve Op. 9. Johann Gustav Eduard Stella Kurs und Leichte Messe Op. 50. Kyrie Gloria Masses. Partial settings are seen in both the Roman and Lutheran traditions, where many works consist of the Kyrie and Gloria. These masses came to be called missi breves because they are shorter in words, the opposite being missi toti. Baroque period. As Protestantism didn't have a determined set of mass ordinary sections to be included in a mass composition, as well settings of all 5 sections as Kyrie Gloria Sanctus settings exist. From the early 17th century many cursen consisting of only Kyrie and Gloria were composed, e.g. by Bartholomaeus Gesius. In the second half of the 17th century the Kyrie Gloria Kurs Messi was the prevalent type in Lutheranism, with composers like Sebastian Upfer, Christoph Bernhard, Johann Tyler, Friedrich Zacco and Johann Philipp Krieger. In the first half of the 18th century Kyrie Gloria Masses could also be seen as a Catholic-Lutheran crossover. For example, for Johann Sebastian Bach, not only did he transform one of Palestrina's a cappella missitotas in such a Kyrie Gloria Mass for use in Lutheran practice, he also composed one in this format for the Catholic court in Dresden. Dietrich Buxtehude, Missive brevis BUXWV 114. Johann Tyler, Missive brevis. Johann Kuhnau's Mass in F major. The only extant mass composition of this composer is a Kurs Messi. Friedrich Wilhelm Zacco, Missa super Christ lag in Todesspanden. Jan Dismas Zelenka wrote and acquired many Kyrie Gloria Masses for the Dresden court. All of them later expanded into a Missa tota or into a Missa senza credo. Johann Ludwig Bach. Missa Superkantliner allein Gott in der Höhe JLB 38, for some time attributed to Johann Nicolaus Bach. The Gloria section of this Mass intersperses the Latin text with all four stanzas of Allein Gott in der Höhe as Cantus Firmus. The first measures of that section were amended by J.S. Bach in his Leipzig copy of the work. Giovanni Battista Pergolesi, Messa di Sant'Emedio in F major for 5 voices and orchestra. Johann Sebastian Bach wrote 5 Kyrie Gloria Masses. In 1733 he wrote the Mass for the Dresden court, and around 1738 he wrote 4 so-called Lutherische Messlen, BWV 233–236. Kyrie Gloria Masses Bach copied from other composers include BWV and H. 25 and 167. Georg Philipp Telemann. Several Kyrie Gloria Masses, including Missa Opera Ach Gott im Himmel steht in TWV 9–1, Missa Opera Durchadams Fall ist ganz TWV 9–4, Missa Opera Ein Kinderlein Solo Billage TWV 9–5, Missa Opera Erbarm dich mein O Herrgott TWV 9–6, Missa Opera Es wird schwer der letzte Tag herkommen TWV 9–7 and Missa Opera Komm Heiliger Geist TWV 9–11. Gottfried Heinrich Stolzel wrote a Deutsche Messe on the words of Kyrie and Gloria in German. 19th century Antonio Bencini, Messa in Pastoral, Gioacchino Rossini, Messa di Gloria. Other partial settings. Some Mass settings consisting of only 3 or 4 sections of the Mass Ordinary can be indicated with a specific name, rather than with the generic Missa Brevis name, Missa Tempore Quadragesimi without Gloria, Missa Sensi Credo without Credo, Missa Ferialis without Gloria and Credo. Masses written for the Anglican liturgy often have no Credo and no Agnus Dei. For American denominations, the Sanctus is usually without Benedictus. The Gloria section may be moved to the end of the composition. Some Masses in this category are rather to be seen as incomplete, while the composer didn't write all the movements that were originally planned, or while some movements went lost but the extant part of the composition found its way to liturgical or concert practice recast as a brevis. Whatever the reason for omitting part of the text of the Mass Ordinary from the musical setting, the umbrella term for such Masses became Missa Brevis. Partial Mass settings that are not a Kyrie Gloria Mass include Johannes Ockham, Missa Sine Nomine, Antonio Lotti, Missa Brevis in F, Missa Brevis in D minor, the 3 choral Messen, all partial settings which Bruckner composed between 1842 and 1844, were intended for the celebration of the Mass in the villages Windhag and Kronstorf, where he was schoolteacher's assistant. Johannes Brahms, Missa Canonica, Wu 18. The composer's only attempt to set the Mass is composed of Sanctus, Benedictus and Agnus Dei only, a 4th movement. The Credo, believed to have been completed 5 years after the other movements, is lost. Elia Q. Totalieb, Messa Breve, Gabriel Fauré, Messa des Peccas de Villeville, Messa Basse. Eric Satie, Messa des Paura, Ralph Vaughan Williams, Cambridge Mass for SATB, Double Chorus and Amp Orchestra, 1899. Brevis for various reasons. For the late 19th century, Missa Brevis may refer to a Mass composition with any combination of the following characteristics: short execution time, limited forces for performance, leaving out part of the Mass Ordinary or the composition is incomplete so that the extant complete parts are seen as a Missa Brevis. A Mass being short in this sense does however not exclude that sections based based on texts outside the Mass ordinary are added to the composition. 19th century. As concert performance of liturgical works outside a liturgical setting increased, for some of the composers the brevis solemnis distinction is about the breves, which not always needed professional performers, being intended for actual liturgical use, while a missa solemnis was rather seen as a concert piece for professional performers, that could be performed outside an actual Mass celebration, similar to how an oratorio would be staged. Charles Gounod, CG 63, Vocams a Paula Fête de l'Annonciation in C minor CG 64, Mass No. 1 in A flat major CG 65, Mass No. 2 in C major, and later revision Mess of Breve No. 5 en ut majeur à trois voix d'homme, soli hers, CG 66, Mass of Breve et Salut pour four voix d'homme in C minor op. 1 CG 67, Messa of four voix d'homme No. 2 in C major, CG 68, Messa of four voix d'homme No. 3 in A minor CG 69, Messa of 5 voix libres in E flat minor CG 70, Messa No. 1 of 3 voix d'homme in C minor, CG 71, Mass of Breve No. 2 Portia d'homme in G major, and its later revisions, Messa No. 3 à trois voix égales and Mess of Breve No. 6 aux cathédrales pour solistes Chorg CG 72, Mass of Breve No. 4 à deux voix égales, revision as Mess of Breve No. 7 aux chapelles, CG 73, Messa des Anges Gardiens in C major CG 74, Messa à la mémoire de Jeanne d'Arc Libératrice et Martyr in F major, CG 78 and 79, Mass of Breve pour les morts in F A major, and a later reworking CG 147b, Messa funèbre in F major as a parody by Jules Dormois of Gounod's Les Sept Paroles de Notre Seigneur J. Acute Jesus Christ sur la croix. 20th century. Richard Rodney Bennett, Lennox Berkeley, Leonard Bernstein, Miss of Brevis, Benjamin Britten, Miss of Brevis, Jug Duda, Lorenzo Ferrero, Miss of Brevis for 5 voices and 2 synthesizers, Vivian Fine, Miss of Brevis for 4 cellos and taped voice, Ernst Fuchs Schonbach, Miss of Brevis, Opus 20 for 3-part mixed choir, Wilhelm Kilmayer, Zoltan Kodaly, Lowell Lieberman, Miss of Brevis Op. 15, Frank Martin, Vytautas Miskinis, Miss of Brevis Propace, Stephen Paulus, William Walton, Christopher Wood, 21st century. Gerhard Present, Missa Minima, Ganud Neustadt, Miss of Brevis Op. 102, Arvo Part, Miss of Brevis for 8 cellos, Douglas Nettins, Miss of Brevis for SATB and organ, Andrew Ford, Miss of Brevis,